folks. Today is October 13th, 2018, and it got down about 37 degrees last night, and my plants took a good beating. And this is about the final days. You can kind of tell they're kind of wilted a little bit from that. I almost had a frost, and it's only about 55 degrees right now today, but figured I'd give you one last post on my outdoor garden. This here was my Poblimo, and you can see the Poblimos on here, really big. And this is really nice for being in October. Here's a shot of all my bell peppers. Nice looking. Still producing in October. Look at this. These are what you call cow horns. They did really good this year. They're not real hot, they just have a really nice flavor to them. Jalapeno, nice looking, 4 inches in length. There's a ton of them on this plant still. These are habaneros. Did real well this year. End of the season banana peppers. Last pick of the season. Ton of bell peppers. Remainder of my banana peppers. It's all my habaneros. Poblimos. That's all for one plant. And granted, all this fruit here, peppers, I've been picking all year long. Cow horns. Jalapenos. It's October 13th, 2018, and this is the end of the outdoor garden.